Hello, and welcome to your ninth vocabulary lesson in the series. In this lesson, we will learn 20 new vocabulary words. We will use them in sentences too. There will also be some surprise questions to help you remember the words better. So get your pencil and notebook and let's get started. Here are your first four words. Against, perhaps, ocean, wave. To be against something is to be touching it or opposed to it. Against. Perhaps is used when you say that something could happen. Perhaps. The ocean is all of the salt water that surrounds land. Ocean. A wave is a line of water that moves higher than the rest of the water. Wave. I will go to the beach tomorrow with my friends. Perhaps I will go to the beach tomorrow with my friends. Maybe. The are the best they have been all surfing season. The waves are the best they have been all surfing season. Lean the wall and hold for 30 seconds. Lean against the wall and hold for 30 seconds. It's a good exercise. I love traveling to countries with amazing... I love traveling to countries with amazing beaches. Here are your next four words. Beach, pleasant, island, throw. The beach is a sandy or rocky place by the ocean. Beach. If something is pleasant, you enjoy it. Pleasant. An island is land in the middle of the water. Island. To throw something is to use your hand to make it go through the air. Throw. He can the ball over 100 miles per hour. He can throw the ball over 100 miles per hour. I want to relax on a in the Philippines this summer. I want to relax on a beach in the Philippines this summer. Some people want to be alone so much they buy an... Some people want to be alone so much they buy an island. A relaxing sunset is a way to end the day. A relaxing sunset is a pleasant way to end the day. Here are your next four words. Damage, prevent, identify, taste. To damage something is to break it. Damage. To prevent something is to stop it from happening. Prevent. To identify something is to be able to name it. Identify. A taste is the flavor something makes in your mouth. Taste. A seatbelt helps to injury in a car. A seatbelt helps to prevent injury in a car accident. The lime has a sour that the baby didn't like. The lime had a sour taste that the baby didn't like. Ugh. They had to the criminal responsible for stealing the car. They had to identify the criminal. The was so bad that they needed to build a new house. The damage was so bad. Oh, terrible. Here are your next 4 words. Discover, rock, frank, still. To discover something is to find it for the first time. Discover. A rock is a hard thing in the dirt. A rock. If you are frank, you are being very honest. Frank. Still is used when you say that situation keeps going on. Still. She keeps waiting for her boyfriend to message, but he hasn't. Uh-oh. But he still hasn't, and now he's in trouble. Some are valuable and some are worth nothing. Some rocks are valuable and some have no value. The woman needs to be about what she saw to the judge. The woman needs to be frank about what she saw to the judge. She needs to be honest. Everyone wants to some buried treasure in the dirt. Everyone wants to discover some buried treasure in the dirt. I know I do. Here are your next 4 words. Emotion, save, fix, step. An emotion is how you feel. Emotion. To save something is to keep it from being hurt. Save. To fix something is to make it work again. Fix. To step is to walk. Step. The rescue workers, the man from the ocean. The rescue workers save the man from the ocean. When the light turns green, it is time to into the crosswalk. It is time to step into the crosswalk. Anger is a common that everyone can feel. Anger is a common emotion that everyone can feel. I had to call a repair person to my broken washer. I had to call a repair person to fix my broken washer. Write the correct answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook, and I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. To be touching something. Against. To break something. Damage. A way that you feel. Emotion. Very honest. Frank. Land in the middle of water. Island. Repair something broken. Fix. Start moving by foot. Step. Something nice. Pleasant. Choose the best answer. Pause the video and answer each question. Write them in your notebook. I will give you 1 minute. Let's check. I like to play on the beach. The big wave pushed the swimmer. They walked across the island to find food. I'm scared of some animals that live in the ocean. My dad knows how to fix cars. If you damage the light, it won't work. We have to go around that large rock. We are still planning to go to Florida. Do you know how to throw a football? Please step into the house. Great job today. I will see you for the next lesson. Goodbye.